thoughts about mass public school? I know like independent schools always have a place because it's
Mm-hmm.
independent is like a niche market.
Yeah.
But like when I was in public school, right, I used to say, all right, then, and no disrespect, well, disrespect then whoever don't like it, but majority of teachers just there, bro. They getting paid for
Yep.
whatever reason, right? They
Mm-hmm.
just literally there. So I was like, if that's the case, and they're not necessarily teaching, I just envision where they're gonna have either the computer or a prompt and like a security guard just to
Mm-hmm.
make sure they're not in there killing each other.
That's
And that's
exactly.
basically it. And they'll go from class to class. Cause like,
Mm-hmm.
why do you need a teacher, bro?
You don't. Let me tell you something. You actually do not need teachers anymore at this moment. If you go, be for real, you don't. Do you need a teacher right
I
now?
was just observing because it's like,
But no, I'm saying like practically, like okay, besides the emotional support or like that, do you actually need a teacher
no,
anymore?
because a lot of the curriculum is like, it's like you literally talk for like 5 minutes just to prep them.
Mm-hmm.
So you can just have an automated video to give them that introduction. Then after that, they're on their own anyway, bro.
The teacher's reading from book herself or whatever. Like they're on their own. You put the stuff on because that's what they're doing now. The teachers, for one, I will say let's say teachers came in with a passion to teach. They lose it because
ASAP.
yeah, they lose it because the kids have lost their minds. They don't listen. There's this new age of you don't have to listen to adults anymore, and you do whatever you want to do, and it's all about your feelings and blah blah blah. So teachers lose their care. So eventually they just start passing out worksheets, taking their paycheck, and eventually it gets so bad. We just had a teacher leave one of our schools, and she working at Dollar General now. She hated it. Like that's where we are, and now teachers are gonna start hating it so much, and they're not getting paid enough. These folks are going to they're gonna put them screens in there, and there's gonna be a prompt up there, and they're gonna.
Bro, I'm telling you,
That's
I
it.
envision it, man. I see a security guard in there just to make the kids gonna talk or be on their phones, but the thing is probably like they just can't fight.
Yep. That's
And
it.
the security guard is cheaper because that's cheaper labor, no
Yep.
education, pay them a cheaper fee, probably pay $15, $20 an hour.
And everybody's salaries that's in the school board can go up.
Big time. Like
Period. Point blank.
quadruple
It.
You know?
But that's now, of course, that's not practical as far as morally or whatever. But they're gonna make a reason for it eventually.
I just think that's where it's headed, bro. Because like you have too many teachers that get paid a lot that do nothing.
Yep. They just sit there.
They get a decent amount of money, bro, to do nothing.
Yep. And because they used to care and they stopped. They used to care. They stopped, and that's where we are now, man. I ain't mad at them because if you go to these jungles of schools right now, I wouldn't be there either. Man, these schools. Okay, you ever see them little high schools on TV that be like jungles and it got "Welcome to the Jungle" playing? Like, it's schools like that in America every day, like the ones that be on TV, like kids throwing riots and all that. This is happening, and they will not put it on the news purposely. Why exactly these kids are finding guns at school? They bringing guns to school. They fighting, having sex, whatever, videos, etc. And it's not on TV. Why? Because if you knew what was happening in that schools right now for real, these kids wouldn't be there.
The thing I always struggle with, right? This may be a simple question I'm asking, but like I always struggle why administrations allow schools to just be in that state for decades. And it's just, you know what I'm saying? It's like the school is known nationwide as just a terrible school, a violent place, an unsafe place, and a low performing place. But it ties back to what you said earlier because how will they get funding if the school actually does better?
School does better. Where does funding come from?
True.
Yeah, so they need the funding because every day they be like, oh, we need this grant. Like, for example, I think our school system just got another grant to help with literacy rate. Is it really going to help with literacy rate? No. Like, it's still going to be the same. And then they're going to get another one to help with literacy rate. See, the government that issues the grants, they do it based off of how good your grant was written or whatever like that. They're not looking to see if they passed this grant out before and to see what you did with it. They don't care. They're just sending out the grant to say they passed. Everybody shaking hands and got this big check and we give this to the school system, $2.5 million, and he can, whatever state representative that help you with, they can get his little 2 cents and get his vote again for his paycheck and his position. Like it's a whole bunch of scratching each other's backs and not actually helping the community. So